So students, today we are going to start chapter number 7, linear equation. Okay. So basically this chapter we can say is very common chapter because in class 6 also, class 7 also the same chapter we are already studied. So basically first of all we are going to discuss what is the meaning of expression, linear expression. If I write down 5x plus 7, if I write down 2x minus 3, so these are algebraic expression, but which type of linear algebraic expression? आप बोलोगे सर why linear? Linear मतलब क्या है? Linear means ऐसा कोई वेरिएबल हो उसका पावर होना चाहिए 1. अगर आपको कोई पावर नहीं दिख रहा है that means power should be 1. Okay, so here how many power? Here how many power, students? Okay, so here power will be 1. That's why we can say this is algebraic linear expression. But here we are talking about equation. So equation में मतलब हमारे पास एक equal sign आ जाएगा. How? If I write down 2x plus 3 is equals to 6. Yeah, we can say 2x plus 3 is equals to 7. This is your linear equation. Okay, this is your linear equation. Why? Because here equal sign also there, here one variable also there, and here power of the variable is 1. That's why we can say this is a linear equation. Understood all of you? Now हमें अब इस चैप्टर में क्या फाइंड करना है? Obviously we will find out the value of the variable, whatever given variable is there. इसमें ऐसे कुछ नहीं है like we have to find out the x only. We will find out any variable. Always remember variable को हम डिनोट करते हैं एज ए अल्फाबेट्स. वो चाहे a हो सकता है, वो b, c, x, y, z. This one, any one variable we will find out. Okay. So students, remember we have to find out from this equation what is the value of the given variable. That is known as, we can say from this linear equation, most of the cases in exercise 7a, most of the cases will find out solution of the equation, and in second we can say exercise will find out most of the word problem question. Okay, so let's see. Now basically we are going to start exercise 7a. In this exercise 7a we will find out the solution of the equation. Okay, okay students, so as I told you yesterday also, like how to solve equations, how to solve a linear equation. So in front of you exercise 7a, first question, first part, solve the linear equation. That means in this equation only one variable is there, that is p. Obviously as I told you, two method is there. First is inverse operation and second is which one? Transposition method. Okay, so we can say with the help of transposition method only we have to solve the question. So how I solve the question, let's see. First of all, 10p write down as it is, and you have to open this bracket. But how will open the bracket? See here all of you, this minus multiply with both term. Just all of you listen carefully. Again, otherwise you have to ask how the question will come, whatever thing. So minus plus minus 3p, minus plus 4, done. Again we have to open this bracket. How? 4 multiply with p also and 4 multiply with 1. Sometimes आप क्या करते हो, 4 को सिर्फ p से multiply करते हो बस, but you have to do 4 multiply with p also and 4 multiply with 1 also. 4 into 1 4. ठीक है? Plus 9, write down. Now what you have to do? Whatever your p term will be there, p term, that you have to take one side and numbers another side. How? Like this. 10p minus p write down as it is, and this 4p have to shift it this side, that means minus ka 4p, and this side you can cancel out also this 4, but we will not do. 4 plus 9 write down, 4 plus 9, and this 4 we will shift it this side, minus ka 4. Then now simple minus 10p minus 3p 7p, and 7p minus 4p, that is 3p, is equals to 4 minus 4, that is cancel out. So here how many remaining? 9 only. So from this equation we will find out the value of p, that is 9 divided by 3, because 3 multiplication and we know multiplication convert into divide. So 9 upon 3 is equals to how many? 3. That is your complete answer. So easy. Yes or no? Yes, students, very easy, no issue. Okay, now next question, let's see. Same also, yes. But in this question, one line is there, heading is there, solve the following equation and check your answer. And check your answer. So how? Let's see. So already we know P का value हमारे पास क्या आ रहा है 3. So this value of P we will put here in this left hand side also and right hand side also. If suppose left hand side and right hand side both will be equal, that means we can say ये हमारे पास जो P का value है ना, this is 100% correct. So we can say we have to put this value. See here. So instead of this P, you have to put 3. How? Like this. 10 into P means 10 into 3 minus 3 into P. P के जगह क्या put करना है 3 minus 4 is equals to 4 into again P is equals to 3 put here plus 1 plus 9. Now 10 into 3 30 minus 3 3 ja 9 9 minus 4 5 is equals to 4 multiply 3 plus 1 4 plus 9. चलो आगे देखते 30 minus 5 25 and here 4 4 just 16 plus 9 25. Yes, that means we can say this P is equals to 3. This is sure 100% correct answer. Write down P is equals to 3. This is the correct value. Okay, understood? हाँ, I think I know very easy. जब इस क्वेश्चन को बहुत इजी और भी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करोगे ना, then you can understand this is so easy question. But आपका क्वेश्चंस का लेवल धीरे धीरे बढ़ता भी रहेगा. Just check it here. Question number 2 I will not do because same question is there. I will do question number 3. Okay, so see here. Question number not 3, that is first ka third part is there. Okay, question number first third part. So let's see question number first third part. 4 into x plus 3 minus 2 into x minus 1 is equals to 3x plus 3. This is your question. Okay, I am giving to you. You have to check your answer. First of all, 4 multiply with these two terms. So 4x plus 4 3 ja 12 minus, see here all of you, minus 2 multiply with x. So minus ka 2x. Minus 2 multiply with minus 1. So minus minus plus 2 into 1 2. 3x plus 3. Okay, now 4x minus 2x and 3x convert this side minus 3x. So this side 3 only remaining. I will shift this side 12 minus 12 plus 2 minus 2. Okay, done. Now 4x minus 2x, how many? 2x only. And 2x minus 3x, that is minus x. Minus x. Next 3 minus 12, that is minus 9. Minus 9. 3 minus 12 minus 9 and minus 9 minus 11 minus 2 minus 11. Now this two side, both side minus will be cancelled out. So x is equals to how many? 11. Yes, very good. Most of the students given correct answer. X is equals to 11. But I don't know how you give an answer from back side or no. Now see here, next question, we'll check also. But each and every question I will not check. ये check वाला option आप कर लेना घर पे. Now see, x is equals to 11 will put 4 into x is equals to 11 will put 11 plus 3 minus 2, all of you see here only. Now 3 into 11 plus 3. Now 11 plus 3 14. 14 4 ja 56 minus 11 minus 1 10 10 2 ja 20 is equals to 3 into 11 33 and plus 3. Now 56 minus 20 36 and also 36. That means we can say our answer x is equals to 11. That is correct answer. Okay, done. Give some more questions in your book. Having more questions तो आप book से ले लो. Okay, now see next question. चलो इस question को solve करो. Next question, question number 2, first part. x upon 3 minus 5 is equals to 8. This is your question. Okay, yes students, do fast. X upon 3 minus 5 is equals to 8. $39. Very fast, very good. Okay, I am doing with you. Not see here. X upon 3. First of all, minus 5 shifted this side. 8 plus 5 because numbers one side. Next, x upon 3 as it is. 8 plus 5, 13. Okay, divide, convert into multiplication. So x is equals to 13 multiplication. 36. How it is possible? 36, 39 will be there. Okay, so this is your complete answer. X is equals to 39. Yes, very good. Now next question. Question number second. No, I will not do. Second also same. I will do question number third, second part. Question number third, second part. 2m upon 3 plus 3m upon 4 is equals to 17. Okay, so 2m upon 3 plus 3m upon 4 is equals to 17. Note down all of you and tell me answer. So see here. How I solve the question? Think. Obviously, इसमें ऐसे क्या कर सकते? LCM. Obviously, we'll do LCM. Okay, so we'll take LCM 3 and 4. 12 is the LCM. We can write down. How 12? Because we know 3 and 4 are the co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. What is the meaning of co-prime numbers? Anyone know what is the meaning of co-prime numbers? Yes. I know many of the students, most of the students don't know what is the meaning of co-prime numbers. Yes, anyone just write down in chat. Very good. Co-prime numbers are those numbers which are having common factor only one. Okay, co-prime factors, co-prime numbers are those numbers which are having only one common factor. So here 3 and 4 only one common factor. And when co-prime numbers are having in front of you, then just multiply them and LCM, that is, we can say this is your LCM. 3 how many times? 4 times. 4 2 ja 8m. 4 how many times? 3 times. 3 3 ja 9m is equals to 17. Okay, now addition. This is how many? 17m upon 12 is equals to 17. Now obviously आप methods मुझे क्या पता है क्या करोगे? That have to multiply then divide. But उससे भी एक easy में method बता देता हूँ आपको. Actually this 17 and this 17 we can cancel them. ये cancel कर सकते. 17 1 just 17, 17 1 just 17. We can cancel out like this. Now we can write down cross multiply कर दो चलो. हम करो cross multiply कर. So m into 1 m is equals to 12 into 1 12. So we can say m is equals to 12. This is your correct answer. Okay, you can do like this, no issue. आप प्रोसेस को भी फॉलो कर सकते हो, अदरवाइज डायरेक्टली एक्चुअली यू आर गिविंग ओलंपियाड एग्जाम में आपको डायरेक्ट जितना डायरेक्ट हो सके वहां पे आप कर सकते हो. ऐसा कुछ नहीं, आपको फॉलो करना है प्रोसेस, उसके बाद आपको आंसर देना है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. So let's see question number 4. Next question, 2 upon 3 x plus 3 upon 5 is equals to 7 upon 2. ऐसे नहीं सोचना सर चेक नहीं किया आपने. That check you have to do yourself. Okay, one more time explanation. Okay, at last. Okay, so see now, 2 upon 3 x plus 3 upon 5 is equals to 7 upon 2. So what have to do? क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें? 2 दिन पहले प्रोसेस तो है. First of all, we can do one thing. This multiplication, this one number is multiplication is total, we can say bracket. So एक काम कर सकते हैं, इसको हम डिवाइड लेके है ना, ब्रैकेट सॉल्व लो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डू लाइक दिस, राइट डाउन x plus 3 upon 5 is equals to 7 upon 2 multiplication. This one you have to write down as a reciprocal. Okay, so write down 3 upon 2. Write down 3 upon 2. मैंने क्या किया? कुछ भी नहीं किया, बस this one I will just write down this side and reciprocal of the number. Afterwards, x plus 3 upon 5, write down as it is. 7 3 ja 21, write down 21 upon 2 2 ja 4. Now x is equals to 21 upon 4 and plus ka 3 upon 5 shifted this side, so minus 3 upon 5. Now I think all of you understood what I have to do. LCM 4 5 ja 20. 4 how many times? 5 times. 5 into 21, that is 105 minus 5 how many times? 4 times. 4 3 ja 12. So the answer will be 93 upon 20. Okay. अगर आपका बुक में 93 upon 20 नहीं दे रखा है, that means in mixed fraction obviously given. So mixed fraction में जब करोगे then answer will be 4 and 13 upon 20. That is your correct answer. Okay. Understood all of you? Sir, 2 upon 3 in division, then why you multiply in RHS? Actually ये नंबर है ना, इसके साथ मल्टीप्लीकेशन में है. जब आप उसको शिफ्ट करते हो ना, then we can do divide. अब देखो रफली देखना, 7 upon 2 divided by 2 upon 3. अब what is the meaning of this expression? We can write down 7 upon 2, divide sign change to multiply, and the number will be reciprocal. Yes or no? So that's why we are written like this. ठीक है, मैंने सूरज डायरेक्टली कर दिया आपको, because you are in class 8, डायरेक्ट सीखना है ना. Okay, now next question. Question number 5th. Okay, question number 5th. One thing you have to do now, question of 5th you have to try to solve yourself. Okay, obviously this is a lengthy question, but आपको एक बार practice करना है, otherwise I will tell you tomorrow. Okay, so all of you note down, question number 5 is important question also and you have to do yourself. Note down question number 5, circle mark कर दो आप. Now next question, question number 6. So question number 6, this is obviously, this is also lengthy question, but all of you be concentrated here. 10 minus x upon 3 upon 7 is equals to 4x minus 7 upon 3 is equals to x minus, थोड़ा मिस्टेक इसमें प्लस होना चाहिए, just wait. Okay. Now listen. Actually in this type of questions आपको मिस्टेक होने का चांसेस फुल्ली है, बिकॉज प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लीकेशन बहुत कुछ है. अगर आपका थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक हो गया ना तो आपका पूरा आंसर में रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. दैट्स व्हाई whenever you have to solve this question, be concentrated. कहीं पे भी आपका प्लस माइनस का मिस्टेक नहीं होना चाहिए. सो हाउ आई सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन, सी हियर. ऑब्वियसली आप सोचोगे सर सारी जगह x है वही दिख रहा है और कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा है. So first of all, you just take LCM of left hand side. How? 10, 7 and 3. Whenever you have to take LCM, then 210 will come. Okay, just take LCM, obviously 210 LCM will come. Next, 10 how many times? 10 how many times 220? Sorry, 10, 21 times. So write down 21 multiply 3x minus 2. ब्रैकेट इंपॉर्टेंट है, ब्रैकेट अगर नहीं दोगे देन आंसर विल बी समथिंग. डायरेक्टली आंसर तो कर सकते हो बट समवेयर आपका मिस्टेक आने का चांसेस बढ़ जाए. नाउ 7 हाउ मेनी टाइम्स 210? 30. ओके, 7 3 जा 21 and 30 we can say. So minus 30 into x plus 3. Now plus sign give. 3 how many times? 70 times. So 70 multiply 4x minus 7 and write down x minus 1 as it is. है ना? X minus. Okay. Now what I have to do? This multiplication simple do. 21 into 3x, 63x. 21 into 2, 42. Minus 30 into x, minus 30x. Simple multiplication. Minus plus minus 30 into 3. 90 plus 17 to 4, 74 to 7 4 ja 28, 280x minus 7 7 ja 49 x, sorry not x, 490 only, divided by 210 is equals to x minus 1. See how long the question is. Very long question but not so hard, easy hai. Now check it here. Whatever your x term is there na, just solve them. कैसे? 63 minus 30x, that is 33x. and 33x plus 280x, that is how many x? 313x. Now minus 42 minus 90, how many? Addition कर दो. Minus 90 and minus 42, how many? Minus 132. And minus 132 and minus 490, how many? Minus 622. Okay, divided by, अब देखो बात समझना अच्छे से, is equals to, I'm doing is equals to this 210 multiplication with this one, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. ठीक है, मैंने क्या किया? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. इस पूरे चीज को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया एंड 210 मल्टीप्लाई विथ x ऑल्सो एंड 1 ऑल्सो. डन. अब क्या करना है? एक साइड करना है आपको. सो वी कैन से 313x माइनस 210x इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 210 प्लस 622. अब देखते, दिस इज वी कैन से 103x and here we can say how many? 512, sorry 400 we can say this is 412. देखो आपके पास आंसर दिख गया होगा. Now see all of you, x is equals to 412 divided by 103. अब सोचो 100 into 4, 400, 3 4 जा 12, चलो 4 टाइम्स में आपका चल जाएगा. So x is equals to 4. मीन्स देखो मेरे पास ये मिस्टेक होने का चांसेस बहुत ज्यादा था, बट हियर लॉट ऑफ लॉन्ग लाइक कैलकुलेशन पार्ट इज देयर, बट कंसंट्रेशन के साथ एक ही चीज करोगे ना तो 100% योर आंसर विल बी करेक्ट. ओके, now tell me students, why you multiply by 70? Where I multiply by, okay, 70 why multiply? See, 3 how many times 210? 3 how many times? Obviously 70 times. कैसे सर? 210 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, इसलिए 70 है ना. इस तरीके से 70 टाइम्स. 7 how many times? 30 times. Okay student.
Sir, voice is not coming. Sir, voice is not coming.
Okay, just wait.